Now let's see how to use those letters to form some words. The first one, achala, 3 letters. So if we put a space in between there like this, so that's the 3 letters. And if it's a word, then we connect the top line together. It's like this. And we can see from the top, this is a. Where is it? So a, cha, and la. So these 3 letters put together means mountain. Achala, achala. Next one, jana, 2 letters. Ja and na. So it's jana, means person. The third one, janaka, janaka. First 2 letters are the same as the previous one. And the last letter is ka. So it's janaka. Janaka means father. So father is a type of person. That's how the Sanskrit form the words. So we add the affix to distinguish the difference between this word, right? And jana and janaka. Next one, nara, means man. Nara, na and ra. Next, let's see how consonant and other vowels combine together to like form like this sound, ki. Say ki, it will be written like this. And first we know that in the alphabet, the Devanagari is already included the a sound. So this one is ka, ka. And for the pure consonant k and e to put together, it's written like this. So it's also still use ka letter, and we put let's see, we can use the input like this. So same ka, and then we add a vertical line and a loop. So this form is ki, means so it sounds like ki. It's written like this. And this is the same rule applied to all the other consonants. We just use ka as an example. Next one is kri. So it's ka and ri. This ri, we put a small loop underneath. So it's like this, a small hook. Kri, kri. So the same rule also apply to other consonants. They are all like just put this hook underneath the letter. Next one, vowel, right? So it's still the same letter ka, and then we put the bottom part of 3, and underneath ka. So it's like this. Click, click. Last one is k and u, so it's ku, ku. We also use ka letter, and then we put lying down 6. We can say that. So this sign, then it's ku, ku. So those are the rules for consonant and other vowels to come together. So the written form, we need to memorize this rule. And last one, there's a special one we need to mention. So for all the other letters, all the other consonants, we apply the same rule as these rules. But for R, that means ru, R is English, so it's ru. It's written like this. So let's see, ra is like this. So we want to write the ru. So when you put this sign, it will become like this. We just need to memorize the written form. For ru is special. It's like this. Now we have several words as an example to see how those rules apply. And the first word is rishi. Rishi means sage. So this one is, the first one is just the letter ri, and the second one is shi, so we can add a space here. So the second one, second letter is this sh and I, shi, so it's shi, rishi, and we put them together, so this is one word, rishi. Next one, kapi. We can also see it's ka and pi. P is pa, and add this sign, so it becomes pi. And again we put it back. Okay. So it's like this. Kapi means monkey. Next one, we apply this rule. So the first letter is actually nri, so it's na, and then we add a hook underneath, and this, under this, like this. So it's written like this. It's nri, and the second letter is pa, so we put it back. It's like this. Nripa means king. Nripa. The last one, we apply this rule for u. So we apply first letter is ka, and we put this u underneath. So this is gu, and the second one is ru. This is the special one, ru. So we know this this form is actually ru. So now we can recover it. It's guru, guru. This means teacher, guru, written like this. That's all for today. Thank you.